ine money omukatikia emito tirine sente kachembeze masiba kulungi tumene shonga mwebale kugira rukunde eti akwaninde bamushemeyiwe tiko protocol observed nimbasa okutara bajo mu protocol kugisa helpza konka ba fans top there nimwe mukuteka high ya twena tena ko kuturyaha nimwe mukuteka ya jengenda muchenge in everything na we duka nito tukumaje na noa internet tukumaje noa bia nito tukumaje no mweshongo zito tukumaje you're the top. All respect goes to you. Yeah. Then to for our achiever sikuza kubaha bomber grounds to bazawa sponsors bona abariyaha. Yeah, abakurembirwe maba batushomere waho nayo boys MTN nabandi binji okararanya binji nuri wano linyere takwayo bariyaha Fenon nabandi bona mwebare kandi mwebare mununga echikunyemerezaha ejini city festival and I'm a son of this city. Yeah, Angaruga ejeji city in the center ya everything from Western region. To me nimbrana no mu Uganda kabire center but no kugira ngo tikutwanguhira kurugaha kuza border kugira ngo ibintu byone bye maguze kwijabira ba tukabire to the center of the whole thing. Konka tsakikayo MTN nejirango together we are unstoppable. Yes, so etawonekanya chiraje kandi ukwijahanga iki kitiro tuzakora turi ninge kitiro tukora nicyo cyandese abo kugira ngo kuri ninge shongoro muri nyankore umuntu wena kwenda kunyangirwa n'ingaranye kwanguhirwa kugira ngo service yanjye ngisiyo mu ntogo ngabanyine kwija in the center. So nkijaha mtaona gato mu center ukunijire kuona nkija ko wambuza mnonga bazo mtajenaje bati nkija nasibiraha etawuni yanyo right Bruna shanjiro mu yankwataho yambachi yabirayine etawuni yankoze I didn't reach here with anything chojingo basako bagamba I came with 4 things empare esati mwene byo kujwara just one set yo mwenda jug water heater and a sano yobuno. That's how I came to this camp. Yeah, I came determined, but I didn't come like that because I didn't have anything else to do. But I was determined of what I was doing. Gani nyenda kora our difference. Ngaragomuka kuja kora our difference. Yeah. Mwan supportinga, mwandisa, mwanyuisa, narwara, mwandagurira mpaka ilizo. You have been behind me all days. So kumeninza kora achievero na shangangu the same date to ineho festival, and I could not sabotage that. Was listening anje na nkakwatisimu na atira mayor director mja mayor shi mayor no mwa abantu kuzaha. Yes, mayor na mje tonka shi kahawechi nechi straza ku stepping down ya direct ijana team turebe basharaho kugira ngo ngakunu maza kukibanjoraje bagira ngo abahagizi bawe bangahe tukabagura tickets abamwe bakija tukashemerwa kumwe bagira nti let's talk about it. So here we are, big things are coming towards this event. Zakushemerwa munonga no kuchira muzakongera kubagaininga nabo kureba ngo every muhagizi wa rage na no wa state council na no wa brengeriza no wa Nyankore music na no mweshongozi wa twena batu leta kuno kwa council na ichibasa niye kutukontaininga tiko so nizakora mazakora musero mutsi konketsero nikiza kino kuchikwija because leta twena bari yaha tukabanza twakireba mu kiranga hariya konka twajiro kutwakira yama Tongo kwa kagom chisero mbakushanga mbakubuza koryo mchisero tunanya wakonka kamera. You have to work for it, bro. So promoters, sponsors, twabasi Martine Ugachiro. Icyo kiyo tukora nchiza kugenderera ki ninga kitira nichikorwa. Okuseringa Mbarara City ntugiseringa bahi kandi ntugiseringa tuta. We sell culture, yeah. Abantu abo kutaho muri Mbarara matura mbatano bahimba rugahimbaga Mbarara imici. After that abo kwija bona himba tumanya ngo turiyaba tutakaburura mbanda. Then seringo rurimo rutugamba Siringe mere yitukulya, that is all in culture. After that, what we have tukolanga business, abantu bachiza kureba ibi bajanga ba tourists, but from us ntwanza tuchere kitu twenyine twaheza twereka entire Uganda. After Uganda, our next target is a country like Rwanda that is so close to us, a country like Congo that is so close to us, a country like Tanzania that is so close to us. And we want to go there musically, physically, trade-wise, all aspects of life. We want to reach there and be a center that connects to all those guys. Yeah? So, abo muzichi, tuwekwate hamwe wakuba, together, we are unstoppable. Abo muzichi, tutore all those roots, tutore, tuachira mantawa, tubareta, bareba witu nito, tureba wao, the connection, to bonding nabo, tuchitereji. Yeah, man. Ari wewe so tubizorede bankwe mwakazinda. Yeah. So with all those things, I think obumwe noza kutubasa show yitu. Nimpiga munonga beshongozi baburengerizo abatahi banje ngo nkaba ryaha kasimba jike ari wewe nabandi bingi bona bari around today. Yeah, famous guy. Yeah. So Elizoba, we are unveiling gachuza kuba hebera 22 ongante nakigumizemo show yamara ko yabira 22 byo kwa mukaga na 21. Stay with it at heart. Mbarara is home. This is the heart of home. No wasako no rugabushenyi no rugari antonde no ruga ono ko hoko, but this is the heart. This is the heart. Aha had steady. Everything else is going to be easy. Cost of living neza kwa ngwana za kushanga ngo bintu tukusera bamba bihanga Tanzania bikikaha mangu manguka omusha kuyasaba moderator kuyasaba ngo bathe rero line kwa saba kika nyoni nsaba ngo batene y'amashanyarazi kushanga ngo kikaho mangu mangu ya bathe airport ninga nabanje airport batatwenzere munonga batereze yakagoyonga ya man barede bintu babishuka akwende bintu na ijaha bare bested ya kushanga ngo kwetaga kuza hantu hona gukora shopping n'imishoro naki. So after the show, it has to stay at heart. You carry Mbarara everywhere you go. You carry Western Uganda everywhere you go. And you carry Uganda everywhere you go. And lastly, you carry Africa everywhere you go. Yeah, that is who we are. So ntwasa konjero ni basaga mbizo bagana ngatandika kweko gamba za speech. Basaga amba. Mbizo mrekati betu komeraho ebikura to aba team eje tebekanise na nitwe neza konjera kuba tematemero kuchukuza kutambara on the day, how they are supporting our fans and how we are supporting our fans for the better day on 2022. That is 22nd 2024 June. Let's go. Wanji, I want your caller tune. If you want my caller tune, you want it or you want me to read for those that want it? Okay, one of the questions ngora kare John Simi yawe na wasapu jiroti *70* 51 hash. Then you choose nyamu akara pole wa forever bakari. Amarari bona buri yo mazina. Kagariche? Ukashomera na nodi hizo *170 *51. Aje mumu nyankole. Muko nyangano rumanya? Akanyonyozi mushanju busha niyoze akanyonyoza kandi itano emwe akadara. Yes man. Kale, wewe ni mmoja. Ali wewe